Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be creating this look which is inspired by Tara Sutaria. She wore this makeup look in the song Masakali 2.0, which but then the makeup look was seriously bombdegree.com, and I think a lot of y'all even requested this look to me in my DMs. So here I am recreating this look for you. And you know what, this is super easy. This is specifically the look which she had worn with the pink gown that she had worn in the second half of the song, I guess. So now if you want to know how to get this easy peasy super squeezy look, if that made any sense, okay, so if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. But if you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, guys, what are you doing? Yeah, please subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that you get all the notifications of all my future uploads. The channel is super close to 500 subscribers and I am really hoping that it happens very soon. And yeah, now please subscribe, guys. And now let's get started. Alright, so I will be starting off with priming, and for that I'll use this Maybelline Master Prime primer, and I will be applying it all over my face, focusing it majorly on my T-zone as well as under my eye area, because you know I want those wrinkles filled up. Next I will be taking this L'Oreal Infallible foundation and I'll be applying a thin layer of this foundation all over my face, and I'll also take it down my neck. I really love this foundation for doing such glowing makeup tutorials because it has a very dewy finish, so it's perfect for such celebrity inspired makeup looks. And then I'll be using the Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 02 Sand Sable. I'll majorly apply it, of course, under my eyes to cover those dark circles. I'll focus it mainly on the inner orbital bone because that's the darkest part of your under eye, you can say. And then I'll also be applying it on the higher points of my face, like the bridge of my nose, forehead, Cupid's bow, around my mouth. And then I'll again be blending it out seamlessly with the help of my makeup sponge. First I'll blend out on all the other areas, leaving my under eye concealer for a while so that you know that gets most amount of coverage. Then I'll blend my under eyes, the concealer on my under eyes, and whatever is left I'll be taking it to my upper eyelids so that it gets primed for the upcoming eyeshadows. Then taking this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, I'll be applying it on my under eye area. Now the reason I'm looking in the upwards direction while applying this is because when you look up, the under eye wrinkles, they open up, and that's why your product can be reached easily. And then whatever is left on the sponge, I will be applying it all over my face to set it. Then I'll be taking this Nykaa contour and highlight palette, and I will be using this contour brush to chisel out my face because I have a chubby face. Okay, so I am contouring my cheekbones, and after that I'll also be contouring my jawline. Then I'll also be applying it on my forehead to make my forehead appear a little smaller. Then with the help of my little finger, what I'm going to do is I'll be applying it in the shape of two lines on both the sides of my nose, and then using that same brush I will be blending it out. After this, from the Savannah Makeup Studio blush palette in the shade 06, I will be applying this blush on my cheeks. While blending this blush, I will be blending it into my contour. These celebrities, they really know the blending game very well. Like you can see the way I'm blending it, it looks as if the contour and blush are the same but still not the same. You get it, right? So now from the same Nykaa contour palette, I will be taking this highlighter shade with the help of this tapered brush, and I'll be applying it on the high points of my face like cheekbones, bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, forehead and chin. You know the drill. Now we'll move on to the eyebrows, for which I'll be using this Maybelline Fashion Brow Duo pencil. I will be underlining my brows, then overlining my brows, and then I'll be filling up the sparse gaps, and then of course, the sparse areas towards the front of my brow. After that, we'll be moving on to eyeshadow, for which I'm using this Hania 35B palette. I'll be taking that darkish pink. It's not very dark, but a little dark, and I'll be applying it all over my lids and a bit above my crease. After that, I'll be taking this lighter pink shade, and with the help of a fluffier brush, I'll blend out the edges to make it look seamless. After this, I'll be taking this Savannah Velvet eyeshadow palette, and with the help of that baby pink shimmer, I will be applying it towards the inner half of my eyelid. This almost looks like a cut crease, but it's not. So yes, I'm applying that shimmer shade, after which I'll be using this Maybelline Hyper Gloss eyeliner, and I'll be drawing a thin winged liner. Like, this is not even a proper winged liner, it's just a slight extension of a normal eyeliner. Then I'll be taking this Nykaa IM 24/7 kajal, with the help of which I'll be applying it on my waterline, and I'll not apply it on the entire waterline, but I'll only apply it till the middle of my eyes, and then I'll take that same pink color on a very precise brush and I'll smudge this black shade out. Now I'll be using this Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara, which is waterproof, and with the help of this I will be applying it on both my top as well as bottom lashes. I'll be doing this very carefully because I don't want to hurt my eyes. After that, I'll be using this Blue Heaven Non-Transfer lipstick in the shade Uber Pink, and I'll be applying it all over my lips, and to just give it a bit of a satin finish, I'll be using this Rimmel London Oh My Gloss in the shade Snug, I think. I'll mention it in the bottom bars below, and I'll be tapping a slight amount of this, and with this we will be finishing the complete look. I will just open my hair, comb it, set it a bit, and there we go with the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you all did, then please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your other makeup junkie friends, tell them to watch this tutorial and ask them to subscribe as well, okay? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.